Bushcraft knives in 2026 are tougher, sharper, and more advanced than ever before. From Bark River and Falkniven to Tops, ESE, and Morinov, these knives represent the very best bushcraft tools serious outdoor enthusiasts can carry. So get ready, because these blades only become more powerful as we count down from number 10 all the way to number 1. Number 10. BPS Knives Adventurer Pro 2026 Edition. The BPS Knives Adventurer Pro 2026 Edition is one of the best bushcraft knives of 2026 because it combines traditional bushcraft design, dependable durability, excellent carving performance, and outstanding value into one highly capable outdoor knife. The newest Adventurer Pro 2026 edition continues that tradition perfectly while introducing upgraded materials and refined ergonomics for modern bushcraft users. One of the biggest reasons why this knife stands out is blade control. Bushcraft knives need to handle precise cutting tasks such as feather sticking, carving tools, preparing firewood, building traps, and processing natural materials, and the Adventurer Pro performs extremely well in all of these situations. The ergonomic wooden scales provide a classic traditional appearance while also helping reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Another huge advantage of the knife is versatility. The Adventurer Pro works extremely well for camping, hiking, hunting, wood carving, food preparation, survival situations, and general outdoor utility tasks. The balanced design makes the knife feel agile and easy to control while still providing enough blade length for tougher jobs around camp. Another major reason why this knife deserves recognition is affordability. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue becoming more refined and specialized, and the BPS Adventurer Pro remains one of the smartest choices for outdoor enthusiasts who want reliable performance without spending premium custom knife prices. Number 9. Morinov Garberg Black Carbon Pro. The Morinov Garberg Black Carbon Pro is one of the most respected bushcraft knives of 2026 because it combines legendary Scandinavian knife design, exceptional cutting control, rugged durability, and practical outdoor performance into one of the most dependable wilderness knives available today. Another major strength of the Garberg Black Carbon Pro is durability. The full-tang construction provides outstanding strength for batoning wood, heavy carving, shelter building, and demanding survival situations while still maintaining excellent balance during fine cutting tasks. Morinov upgraded the high-carbon steel heavily in the 2026 version, improving toughness, edge retention, and sharpening ease for wilderness users who depend on reliable cutting performance in remote environments. Another major reason why this knife deserves recognition is reliability. Many survival experts and bushcraft instructors recommend Morinov knives because of their consistent performance and rugged simplicity. On Amazon and bushcraft communities, many users describe the Morinov Garberg Black Carbon Pro as one of the best bushcraft knives available because it combines practical Scandinavian design, excellent carving capability, and dependable outdoor durability into one outstanding wilderness tool. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue evolving with modern materials and improved ergonomics, and the Morinov Garberg Black Carbon Pro remains one of the strongest all-around bushcraft knives users can buy today. Number 8. Condor Pterosaur Elite Bushcraft Knife. The Condor Pterosaur Elite Bushcraft Knife is one of the best outdoor knives of 2026 because it combines rugged survival durability, excellent carving performance, practical wilderness features, and strong value into one highly capable bushcraft blade. Condor has become one of the most respected brands in the bushcraft and survival community because the company consistently produces outdoor knives designed specifically for real wilderness use. The newest Pterosaur Elite Bushcraft Knife continues that reputation perfectly while introducing upgraded steel and improved handle ergonomics for modern outdoor users. One of the biggest reasons why this knife stands out is toughness. Another huge advantage is versatility. The knife performs extremely well for camping, hiking, hunting, bushcraft training, survival situations, and general outdoor utility work. Condor also upgraded the sheath system heavily in the newest version, offering improved retention security and more flexible carry options for outdoor gear setups. Another major reason why this knife deserves recognition is affordability. On Amazon and bushcraft communities, Many users describe the Condor Pterosaur Elite Bushcraft knife as one of the best affordable bushcraft knives available because it combines practical wilderness design, strong durability, and dependable outdoor performance extremely well. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue becoming more advanced and specialized, and the Condor Pterosaur Elite remains one of the smartest choices for outdoor users who want reliable wilderness capability at a reasonable price. Number 7. Tops BOB Fieldcraft Pro 2026. The Tops BOB Fieldcraft Pro 2026 is one of the most elite bushcraft knives of 2026 because it combines premium survival design, exceptional cutting performance, rugged durability, and professional-level outdoor functionality into one of the finest wilderness knives available today. Designed with serious bushcraft and survival use in mind, the newest BOB Fieldcraft Pro continues Tops Knives' reputation for producing heavy-duty outdoor blades trusted by survival experts worldwide. One of the biggest reasons why this knife stands out is versatility. Tops refined the handle design heavily in the newest version, helping users maintain secure grip control during wet weather, cold conditions, and extended carving sessions. The handle feels extremely comfortable during prolonged outdoor use, while reducing hand fatigue during detailed woodworking tasks. Another huge advantage is blade geometry. On Amazon and bushcraft communities, many users describe the Tops BOB Fieldcraft Pro 2026 as one of the best professional bushcraft knives available because it combines premium craftsmanship, survival durability, and exceptional cutting control into one elite outdoor blade. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue pushing higher levels of refinement and performance, and the Tops BOB Fieldcraft Pro remains one of the strongest choices for serious outdoor enthusiasts and survival professionals. Number 6. ECRB 3 Bushcraft Evolution. The ECRB 3 Bushcraft Evolution is one of the best bushcraft knives of 2026 because it combines legendary outdoor reliability, outstanding carving control, rugged survival durability, and premium craftsmanship into one highly capable wilderness blade. ECRB has earned one of the strongest reputations in the survival and bushcraft world because the company focuses heavily on practical field performance and dependable construction, and the newest RB3 Bushcraft Evolution perfectly demonstrates why so many outdoor professionals trust the brand. The knife also feels extremely balanced, helping users maintain precise blade control during detailed woodworking tasks. Another huge advantage is versatility. The RB3 Bushcraft Evolution works exceptionally well for camping, hiking, hunting, survival training, fire preparation, and general outdoor utility tasks. ECRB also refined the sheath system heavily in the newest model, improving retention security and outdoor carry flexibility for backpacks and belts. Another major reason why this knife deserves recognition is dependability. On Amazon and bushcraft communities, many users describe the ECRB 3 Bushcraft Evolution as one of the best practical bushcraft knives available because it combines premium outdoor performance, rugged durability, and excellent ergonomics into one reliable wilderness tool. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue becoming more advanced and refined, and the ECRB 3 Bushcraft Evolution remains one of the smartest choices for outdoor users who demand dependable field performance in every environment. Number 5. Benchmade Anonymous Bushcraft Pro. The Benchmade Anonymous Bushcraft Pro is one of the most premium bushcraft knives of 2026 because it combines elite American craftsmanship, exceptional cutting performance, lightweight outdoor practicality, and premium materials into one highly refined wilderness knife. Benchmade has long been recognized as one of the top knife manufacturers in the world, and the newest Anonymous Bushcraft Pro proves exactly why the company continues earning respect from outdoor enthusiasts and survival professionals alike. One of the biggest reasons why this knife stands out is blade quality. Benchmade also upgraded the sheath system significantly in the newest model, improving retention security and carry flexibility for modern outdoor gear setups. Another major reason why this knife deserves recognition is craftsmanship. Every detail of the Anonymous Bushcraft Pro feels refined and professionally engineered for long-term outdoor reliability. On Amazon and bushcraft communities, Many users describe the Benchmade Anonymous Bushcraft Pro as one of the best premium bushcraft knives available because it combines lightweight handling, elite cutting performance, and outstanding construction quality into one exceptional outdoor blade. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue reaching new levels of refinement and performance, and the Benchmade Anonymous Bushcraft Pro remains one of the strongest choices for users who want premium craftsmanship and dependable wilderness capability. Number 4. Hella Nordlyse Bushcraft Edition. The Hella Nordlyse Bushcraft Edition is one of the most beautiful and capable bushcraft knives of 2026 because it combines traditional Scandinavian craftsmanship, premium materials, excellent carving control, and outstanding outdoor performance into one incredibly refined wilderness knife. Hella has built a legendary reputation in the bushcraft world for producing elegant outdoor knives inspired by Nordic wilderness traditions, and the newest Nordlyse Bushcraft Edition perfectly represents that heritage while introducing modern improvements for serious outdoor users. One of the biggest reasons why this knife stands out is blade precision. The Scandinavian grind delivers outstanding control for carving wood, creating feather sticks, processing firewood, and handling delicate bushcraft tasks that require fine cutting accuracy. Hella also refined the leather sheath heavily in the newest version, improving durability and outdoor carry comfort significantly. Another major reason why this knife deserves recognition is craftsmanship that on Amazon and bushcraft communities. Many users describe the Hella Nordlyse Bushcraft Edition as one of the finest traditional bushcraft knives available because it combines beautiful craftsmanship, practical wilderness functionality, and exceptional cutting control into one outstanding outdoor blade. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue blending classic traditions with modern performance, and the Hella Nordlyse Bushcraft Edition remains one of the most elegant and capable wilderness knives users can buy today. Number 3. Lionsteel M7 Bushcraft Survival Pro. The Lionsteel M7 Bushcraft Survival Pro is one of the most advanced bushcraft knives of 2026 because it combines premium Italian craftsmanship, elite outdoor durability, exceptional cutting performance, and modern wilderness functionality into one incredibly refined fixed-blade knife. Another major strength of the knife is durability. The full-tang construction provides excellent structural strength for batoning wood, heavy carving, shelter building, and harsh wilderness conditions while still maintaining impressive balance and maneuverability during delicate cutting work. Another reason why bushcraft enthusiasts continue recommending the M7 Bushcraft Survival Pro is ergonomics. Lionsteel refined the handle heavily in the 2026 version, giving users a highly secure and comfortable grip during wet weather, cold conditions, and extended bushcraft sessions that on Amazon and bushcraft communities. Many users describe the Lionsteel M7 Bushcraft Survival Pro as one of the best premium bushcraft knives available because it combines elite materials, outstanding ergonomics, and professional-level outdoor performance into one exceptional wilderness tool. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue evolving with stronger materials and more advanced engineering, and the Lionsteel M7 Bushcraft Survival Pro remains one of the strongest choices for serious outdoor enthusiasts today. Number 2. Fokniven S1 Forest Survival Knife. The Fokniven S1 Forest Survival Knife is one of the best bushcraft knives of 2026 because it combines legendary Swedish craftsmanship, extreme durability, exceptional edge performance, and elite wilderness reliability into one of the finest outdoor knives ever created. Fokniven has earned worldwide respect for producing professional-grade survival and bushcraft knives trusted by military personnel, survival experts, and wilderness adventurers, and the newest S1 Forest Survival Knife continues that incredible reputation perfectly. One of the biggest reasons why this knife stands out is blade performance. The premium laminated steel delivers outstanding sharpness, edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness during demanding outdoor use. The S1 Forest Survival Knife performs exceptionally well for camping, bushcraft, hunting, survival training, hiking, and professional outdoor use while still maintaining a practical carry size for wilderness adventures. Fokniven also upgraded the sheath system significantly in the newest model, offering stronger retention security and better long-term durability during outdoor carry. Another major reason why this knife deserves recognition is reliability. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue becoming more refined and specialized, and the Fockkniven S1 Forest Survival Knife remains one of the top wilderness tools serious outdoor users can buy today. Number 1. Bark River Aurora 2026 Extreme. The Bark River Aurora 2026 Extreme is the ultimate bushcraft knife of 2026 and easily deserves the number 1 position because it combines handcrafted American quality, exceptional bushcraft performance, premium materials, outstanding ergonomics, and legendary wilderness reliability into one nearly perfect outdoor knife. Bark River has built one of the strongest reputations in the bushcraft community for producing handcrafted knives designed specifically for serious outdoor use. And the newest Aurora 2026 Extreme represents the absolute peak of modern bushcraft knife design. One of the biggest reasons why this knife stands out is cutting performance. The convex grind blade delivers incredibly smooth carving ability, outstanding slicing efficiency, and exceptional control during feather sticking, woodworking, food preparation, and firemaking tasks. The Aurora 2026 Extreme performs exceptionally well for camping, bushcraft, survival training, hunting, hiking, woodworking, and general wilderness utility work while still maintaining a practical carry profile for everyday outdoor adventures. Bark River also refined the leather sheath heavily in the newest model, improving durability, retention security, and overall carry comfort. In 2026, bushcraft knives continue reaching new levels of refinement and performance, and the Bark River Aurora 2026 Extreme stands at the very top as the ultimate knife for serious bushcraft enthusiasts and outdoor professionals today. So that was our list of the top 10 best bushcraft knives of 2026. From Morinov and Condor to Bark River, Fockkniven, and Lion Steel, these knives continue pushing bushcraft performance to the next level. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite bushcraft knife of 2026. Thanks for watching, stay safe outdoors, and we will see you in the next one.